Today's topic is all about primary and secondary colors. What are the primary colors? There are three primary colors. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. The primary colors are the first and most essential of all the colors. The primary colors are manufactured. This simply means that the primary colors cannot be made by mixing other colors together. For example, no two colors mixed together will create a primary color. Yellow and blue will not create red, and purple and orange will not create red. However, you can mix almost all of the other colors using the primary colors. For example, the secondary colors. There are also three secondary colors. The secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. The secondary colors are made by mixing two primary colors together. First, we need the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Now, let's add the secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. Remember, these are the colors that we are trying to make. Can you guess what two colors make orange? Red and yellow makes orange. What two colors make green? Yellow and blue makes green. And purple? What two colors make purple? Blue and red makes purple. Have you ever seen this before? This is the color wheel. This color wheel is made up of the primary and secondary colors. First, start off with the primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. Next, add the secondary colors. Yellow and red makes orange, red and blue makes purple, and blue and yellow makes green. When the primary and secondary colors are arranged like this, it is called a color wheel. When you fully understand the primary and secondary colors, you will be able to mix any color possible.